Debbie Matenopoulos today, baby.
I'm married to you? Is that
Yes,
what's happening?
yes,
Debbie
it's a throuple.
Oh my
gosh.
She says her love language is cooking, and not just cooking, it's cooking Greek food. Her new book is called Greekish, My Best DM'd Recipes. Who slid into your DM, madam?
Well, I'm sliding into everyone else's DMs. I'll tell you who slid into my DMs. Everybody slid into my DMs and said, can you show me how to make this? Can you show me how to make that? And also, my initials are DM. So I thought, how funny.
It works.
They're going to be DK, I guess, soon, because he and I... Oh, DC. Oh,
DC.
boy.
If you're just joining us,
food.
Everyone in the Tri-State area just learned that he is Greek. She got really excited. Then he outed himself as not being a true Greek, and she is showing him the error of his ways. Let's get to it.
Faux
He
Greek.
tried to tell me that hummus was Greek.
Food.
No, kind of Greek or you, Hanimo. It's no Greek.
Yeah.
Okay, but
what do we got?
But my cookbook is also Greekish, so this works out for you. This right here is the ish part. This is a jalapeno artichoke dip that is so incredible. Go ahead, get in there.
You getting this, Coco?
I
You want me to
saw
tilt
that
in?
on a menu in a Greek diner, and I thought,
And you
okay, this is
recreated it.
not Greek at all, but it's
worth it.
hysterical that we're in a Greek diner and it's here. So I went home and I sort of reverse engineered it, and this is what I came up with, and it is bomb diggity delicious.
Does it need fresh pepper?
Ahi, ahi, ahi. That means no in Greek.
No, okay.
No.
I thought it meant a lot.
Over here we have a my artichoke lemon chicken. This is my
looks
mom's
amazing.
recipe. It's incredible. It is olives, artichokes, capers. You sear the chicken on both sides. It's crispy. It's juicy. It's everything you want it to be.
Okay.
We're going to get to this in a minute. This is the portocalopita.
That
Say it
looks
with me. Portocalopita. Portocalopita means orange cake.
That
And
looks
it is
amazing.
incredible. We're going to eat that. I'll give you a little piece of it while we cook.
Let's cook.
I'll
What?
eat.
getting
He's your soup.
There's people giving us hand motions behind
What
the
I'm
camera.
and you're gonna do some hand motions over here.
Okay,
so what we're
good.
gonna do, that's not yet.
Sorry, Mom.
You're a little ahead of yourself. Get over here.
Let's see.
Okay, we need some
Lemon
juice. So
in
we're gonna
here.
make a lado lemono dressing right now.
Okay.
Then you're gonna put in the garlic.
A little bit of
Okay.
garlic.
Okay, go
Minced.
ahead. Here you go. Why don't you use this so
I'll
your
use
fingers
that, yeah.
don't smell.
That's okay.
There
They
you
always
go,
do.
my friend. There you go. Now you're gonna put in some lemon zest. Oh, are you nervous?
Yes, everything's fine.
Put a little bit of olive oil. Actually, a lot of olive oil.
You're doing great,
Go,
sweetie.
Go. All right. we're good.
Portocalopita.
Okay. Now some pepper. There's your pepper.
Fresh pepper?
You got it? Yeah. Okay. Just here we go. Well, you want a little bit of more salt. So oops. You know.
You eat your
take that
cake.
right off
You're
your
doing
shoulder.
great by eating your
I
cake.
feel like I'm
Here.
watching a cooking
Whisk.
show right now. This is
Whisk.
fantastic.
This is my my aunt Rula's orzo salad.
Love
It is
her.
Rula's amazing.
Rula's the greatest.
So orzo is basically the national pasta of Greece. People think it's rice. It is not rice.
It is an
It's a
actual pasta.
Keep
In?
whisking.
Oh.
Not yet. This is nice and warm. Okay, so you want it to be warm. After you've made it, you want it to be really warm before you put in the lado lemono, so it
So that
actually
it
soaks
soaks
it up.
in.
So now,
Beautiful.
Now go.
Dale.
Go. All over.
Dale que tú puedes.
Okay, now we need you to go on.
Give it this. Yes,
Zhuzh.
yes.
Zhuzh it. I'm going to put in the tomatoes, the red onion, the cucumber, the red bell pepper as I.
Debbie, while you're marrying
Mix.
everything over
Yep.
there, I just want to remind folks one of the fabulous things about your cookbook. There's a QR code, and when we snap on it, we see you, right?
That's right. So listen, for this new generation, and for people who aren't really comfortable in the kitchen, and like this one over here, and maybe
I'm very
don't
comfortable.
want to cook, I put olive oils. I mean, not olives. I put olives and chickpeas and all kinds of stuff in there, and olive oil.
Kalamata.
Kalamata,
See.
that's right.
Thank
Some
you.
mint and some parsley and some walnuts and feta cheese. So basically, that QR code that you're talking about is at the bottom of nearly every page in the cookbook. So if you don't want to read the recipe, you just scan the QR code. I pop up and I show you how to make the recipe live as if you're in my kitchen. And when I say as if you're in my kitchen, you're literally in my kitchen.
In your kitchen.
Huh.
Like
Fantastic.
I'm barefoot in some of these, like
Well.
some of these videos. I'm not even wearing makeup.
Your OnlyFans are going to be
I know, right?
really
Very
happy.
excited
Oh,
about
I
this.
forgot to tell you, I've got that account on OnlyFans. I don't.
Add a comedy show coming out, apparently.
Coming up soon.
This looks wonderful.
Okay, you're
Can
going to
we
eat some of
try
it.
it?
It smells even
This
wonderfuler.
cake
I want you to
is
eat the cake.
delicious.
Thank you.
Folks, this is called Greek-ish.
Ish.
Okay?
Ooh.
This
Come
cake
here.
is delish-ish.
Ish, ish.
This salad-ish-ish.
Ish, ish, ish.
Thank you so much.
Everything's ish.
Oh, thank you so much.